The most common thing. Today, I wanted to write something. I might not have any topic yet, but still, I want to write. As of now, I'm writing. I remember a topic I was thinking about to write. Yeah, I got a topic. It's about food. Everyone eats. Without food, one cannot survive, and food is the energy for our body. So, what is our body? If we survive only by eating, then what's the point of doing other things rather than agriculture? Then it is said that what we eat, that's what we become. So, why is it so? I might not have any proper answer to it yet, but I want to answer my own questions. So, food is fuel. Yeah, check. And it's true, what you eat is what you become due to the components of that food. And only doing agriculture doesn't make you complete human being, because beside eating, a human has so many needs to live their life in contentment. Another point is human being is a social animal. Yes, it's a fact that food helps to be social, and it's one of the integral part of human life. Moreover, food helps to get one's identity and culture. In addition, food is equals to love. That is to say, you willingly share your food only with the one you love the most, or just you love them. Sharing food means strengthening your bond and living a fulfilling, meaningful life. Your father works and earns money so that there is food on the table, and your mother cooks for you 365 days because she loves you. This can go either way as well. Moms are also earners and dads can cook for children. No offense. Then, how much love and care you put into making a dish can transform the taste of that dish. If you have your heart and soul while cooking, then that meal is going to touch the soul of those who eat it. And there is a popular saying, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. It can also be a woman. Keeping it aside, let's talk more about food again. One generation teaches next generation on how to prepare food and grow food. This teaching and learning helps to save humanity. Then to fill your tummy with food, you are encouraged to do something to earn it. In this process of having food to eat, you tend to live your life. Your body works as a machine, and the capacity to do so comes with what kinds of food you eat. And life is nothing but to keep on moving, and to move, you need energy. And voila, food provides you with that energy. That's all for today, folks.